2 years after the original, Google has just announced a new set of Pixel Buds. They're not coming out until 2020, but we've been able to spend a few minutes checking them out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Now, since this product won't be out for a while, we were only able to look at the Pixel Buds in person and check out the hardware. There are quite a few changes between the original Pixel Buds and this new version, but the biggest one is that they're truly wireless, just like Apple's AirPods. They also come in a new case, which is smaller than the original and also has a matte texture that's easier to slip into your pocket. It's still bigger than the AirPods case, but not to the same degree as the Galaxy Buds or the original Pixel Buds. The fact that it's not fabric also helps it slip into your pocket. Google has also redesigned the ear tips to help them better stay in your ear, but they're still not noise canceling. Rather, they're intentionally designed to let noise through and get rid of that plugged feeling that you'll get from normal earbuds. Personally, I'm a huge fan of that. Again, the Pixel Buds won't be coming out for a few months, but we'll have continued coverage over on 9 to 5 Google, and we already have more details on our website.